So today I will be showing you how to make the basic glider airplane. All you'll need is one sheet of paper. First step, hold on. The first step you need to do, take one end, this long skinny end, fold it thinly, over and over, like, not like a fan, but over and over, until that thing. Okay, now you want to fold it in half. Okay, see, just what you have so far. Now take this side, fold it over, so you'll have that much space. Now flip it over and do the same to the other side, other wing. And then, there's your glider.
Let me see the glider.
And then, no. Okay. Here's the test fly. Oh, here's the test fly. Well, it flies pretty good. Even though you couldn't see it. Now, bye.